Hi guys, welcome to my channel Simply Homemade. So today we have an amazing tasty creamy recipe that's mushroom masala. The ingredients we need here are mushrooms. I have taken 2 packets of mushroom, approximately 300 grams, and I have taken finely chopped coriander. I have taken 2 tomatoes, 1 onion. There's jeera and there's chili powder, dhania powder, turmeric powder, jeera powder, and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 slit green chili. Let's learn how to make it. Here our pan is heated. Let's add 1 spoon of oil. I'm adding butter also here. It's completely optional. Once our butter is melted, let's add half spoon of jeera and let it splatter. Now add ginger garlic paste and 2 slit green chilies. Saute it for 2 minutes on low flame. Once the ginger garlic's raw smell goes, let's add in our onions. I have taken 1 big onion over here and we'll saute it until it changes color to golden brown. Once it changes color, we'll add in our tomatoes and we'll add some salt on top of it because tomato cooks faster when you add salt. Once the tomato is cooked, we'll add in our coriander and saute. I would highly recommend you add in the coriander now because it gives a very nice flavor to the sabzi. Now we'll add in all our powder masalas, that is our chili powder, dhania powder, turmeric and jeera powder. Here jeera powder is optional. If you like the flavor you can add it, otherwise you can skip it. Let's saute it until it's mixed very nicely. Now I've added the mushrooms. Don't add any water to the mushroom. By nature it leaves water, so you'll not really require water. Once you get the consistency you need, add cream. It's highly recommended. With cream add some butter also because it tastes very nice and then it gives a very nice texture also to our sabzi. If you don't have cream, you can add malai or little milk also. Now this is done. Let's transfer our sabzi to a serving dish. It's piping hot and spicy. I'm so excited to try this. And you'll need only your basic ingredients, which everything you'll have at home. Try this and subscribe for more recipes. Bye bye.